In this video, we will discuss about operators. Here we have a simple expression 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Here $sign and 5 are called operands and plus is called the operator. There are some types of operators. JavaScript includes some categories of operators. Arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators, conditional operators. We will see first what are arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations between numeric operands. For example, when we make a simple calculator, arithmetic operators work behind it. Let's see an example. I have taken two variables with let 20 and 10. I have taken C with test. I don't have to define that I am taking it as number or string. If I will write in course, then it will be string, and if I have written n, it means it is taken as number. Then I have written br backspace, which means it is breaking the line, means it moves to next line. Document.write will be written as it is. Then we have taken a variable of result. Here I have done a plus b, so I will get answer 30. Then my line will break, will move to next line. Here it is a minus b, so the answer is 10. Again the line will break. It will move to next line. It will appear on the screen. Next, see what I have done. I have done division here, so my answer will be 2. If we will take remainder, we will have 0. Then we will take example of a plus b plus c. Here c is string, so it will appear as it is. Then we will do a equals to plus plus a. Plus plus a means plus a plus 1 plus 1. It will add 1 two times. Here I have value of a as 20, so the answer will be 22. In another example, b equals to minus minus b. It will subtract 1 two times. Here I have value of b as 10, so the answer will be 8. I will save this and run.